Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an EarFun UBOOM L Bluetooth wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do this. And you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker will not connect to the Bluetooth, or it won't sync with your device, or it won't pair with your phone, or if you're having any issues with the sound or connectivity, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to delete the pairing history and start new with a new device, you can go ahead and do this. The first way is a simple Bluetooth pairing reset, which is to press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons for 5 seconds. This will disconnect it and unpair it and have it forget all of its pairing history, at which point you can pair it with whatever device you want. If the system crashes or it freezes or it doesn't respond, we can press and hold for 8 seconds the power button. This will force power cycle it. And then finally, if none of that works, on the back of the speaker, there is an actual reset button hole where you'll need a paper clip or a pin, and you can press and hold that button for several seconds to reset the speaker.